Should I?
International. One second. We're 1:06. And Elohim said, "Let the firmament in the midst of the waters, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." Now, the word firmament means space or atmosphere. A lot of people seem to think this is something else, but it's the atmosphere. See, space or the sky, well, it starts from the ground up. Anything above the ground up. Okay? So the firmament would be the atmosphere. So far, what we have written is not necessarily talking about one planet that we live on called Earth. It's. Let me just continue before I confuse you. The firmament is the atmosphere. So, and Elohim said, "Let there be an atmosphere or a space in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters." Okay. So think about us being out in space, and now there's a bunch of water, this big surging mass of water, and now it's being separated into individual surging masses of water. Okay. And bear in mind that these surging masses of water contain sediment in them. They contain land. Okay. So Elohim made the space or the atmosphere and divided the waters which were upon, they say under here, but the word is really upon the atmosphere or the space from the waters that were above the atmosphere. And it was so. So now we having, if you think of it as a grand mass, we have planets being formed here, but they're mostly just water with sediment inside them, separated by space and the atmosphere into outer space. Okay. Shani. Okay, so and Elohim called the firmament heaven, and the evening and the morning were the second day. Okay, so we're going to look at the word heaven here. And it is not heaven. We already learned this word already. And it is Shemaim or Shemaim. And it means the sky. Okay? So it's saying that he called the firmament, or he called the atmosphere, the space, the sky, or the Shemaim. And the evening and the morning was the second day. Okay, so now we're going to go into our vocabulary also. We already know the word one, which is akad. Now we're going to learn the word two, or second, which is shene. Shene. So, I hope you're writing these things down so you remember it. So, in the evening and the morning was the second day, or Yom Sheni. Okay. And now we move on to the next section. It's Genesis 1:9.